Imagine a world without sound, a place where communication happens in whispers, unseen vibrations, and chemical signals. This is the world of plants. For centuries, we've perceived plants as passive inhabitants of our planet, silently absorbing sunlight and water. But what if this perception is wrong? What if plants are not as silent as we think? What if they can sense and respond to the world around them in ways we are only beginning to understand? Recent scientific discoveries are challenging our long-held assumptions about the plant kingdom. These studies suggest that plants are not merely static organisms but are capable of complex responses to their environment, including the ability to detect and react to the sounds of herbivores feeding on them. This groundbreaking research opens a new window into the secret world of plants and raises fascinating questions about the nature of intelligence and awareness in the natural world. Our understanding of plants has long been shaped by their apparent stillness. Rooted in place, unable to flee from danger, plants have often been relegated to the sidelines of the natural world, silent, passive observers to the drama of life unfolding around them. Yet this perception belies the remarkable adaptations that have enabled plants to thrive in virtually every habitat on Earth. Plants, unlike animals, cannot move to escape predators or seek out resources. Instead, they have evolved sophisticated mechanisms to cope with environmental challenges and ensure their survival. These mechanisms include the ability to sense and respond to light, gravity, temperature, and even chemical signals from other plants. Now, emerging research is revealing a new dimension to plant sensitivity, the ability to detect and react to sound. At the forefront of this research is a team of scientists at the University of Missouri who made a startling discovery. A small, unassuming plant called Arabidopsis thaliana, commonly known as thalicress, can sense the vibrations produced by caterpillars munching on its leaves. This discovery, published in the journal Ecology and Evolution, has sent shockwaves through the scientific community, challenging our fundamental understanding of plant behavior. Arabidopsis, a model organism in plant biology, has long been a subject of intense scientific scrutiny. Its small genome and rapid life cycle make it an ideal candidate for genetic studies. However, this latest discovery suggests that Arabidopsis, despite its diminutive size, may hold the key to unlocking even bigger secrets about the sensory world of plants. To investigate whether Arabidopsis could detect the vibrations caused by feeding insects, the researchers devised an ingenious experiment. They placed caterpillars on Arabidopsis plants and used highly sensitive recording equipment to capture the minute vibrations produced by the caterpillars as they chewed on the plant's leaves. These vibrations, inaudible to the human ear, were then played back to a separate group of Arabidopsis plants that had not been exposed to the caterpillars. The control group of Arabidopsis plants, which did not receive any vibrational stimuli, served as a baseline for comparison. This meticulous experimental setup allowed the researchers to isolate the effects of the caterpillar vibrations and determine whether these vibrations alone were sufficient to trigger a response in the plants. Section 5. A chemical symphony of defense. The results were astonishing. The Arabidopsis plants, exposed to the recorded vibrations of caterpillars feeding, exhibited a remarkable response. They began producing a cocktail of defensive chemicals, including mustard oils known as glucosinolates, which are known to deter herbivores. These chemicals, responsible for that pungent aroma of plants like mustard and wasabi, act as a natural defense mechanism against insects and other animals that might feed on the plant. The control group of plants, on the other hand, showed no such increase in chemical defenses. This finding provided compelling evidence that the Arabidopsis plants were not only able to detect the vibrations produced by feeding caterpillars, but were also able to translate this sensory information into a specific defensive response. Section 6. Sound and the future of farming. The implications of this research extend far beyond the laboratory. The discovery that plants can respond to sound opens up exciting possibilities for agriculture and food production. Imagine a future where farmers could use sound waves to enhance the natural defenses of crops, reducing the need for pesticides and promoting sustainable agricultural practices. This research could pave the way for the development of innovative pest control methods that rely on sound or vibration to trigger plant defenses, offering a more environmentally friendly alternative to traditional chemical pesticides. Such technologies could revolutionize agriculture, leading to healthier crops and a more sustainable food system. Section 7. Beyond human senses. The discovery that plants can sense and respond to sound is a powerful reminder that our understanding of the natural world is constantly evolving. It challenges us to look beyond our own limited senses and appreciate the incredible diversity and complexity of life on Earth. Plants, often seen as passive and unresponsive, are revealing themselves to be far more attuned to their surroundings than we ever imagined. This groundbreaking research serves as a potent reminder that we are just beginning to scratch the surface of plant intelligence and sensory perception. It begs the question, what other hidden abilities might plants possess, waiting to be discovered? Section 8. The unexplored world of plant intelligence. As we delve deeper into the secret world of plants, we are likely to uncover even more astonishing adaptations and capabilities. Perhaps plants communicate with each other through intricate networks of underground fungal connections, sharing information about resources and threats. Maybe they can even distinguish between beneficial and harmful insects, tailoring their defenses accordingly. The possibilities are as vast and mysterious as the plant kingdom itself. This newfound understanding of plant intelligence not only reshapes our view of the natural world, but also inspires a profound sense of wonder and respect for the often overlooked organisms that share our planet.